Hey guys, how are you doing today? And I'm Anisha, and today I'm going to show you how you can create some really interesting graphics using simple softwares like PowerPoint presentation or Keynote if you are a Mac user. So it's no if you want do not want to spend a lot of money in hiring some expensive graphic designers, or maybe if you don't want to outsource your graphic designing works to any other expensive agencies, then this video is for you guys. So stay tuned. So let's get started with the Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm just opening this, and let me choose a blank presentation for now. So a lot of people don't know actually that they can actually change the shape of this PPT slide to different shapes. Like for example, if I want to change it to square image, for instance, so I go to design, I go to adjust, I just set up the page, and I do the width and height exactly same so that it becomes square. So if square is not the type of graphic that you are looking forward to, then you can simply go on with the rectangular shape. For the example right now, I'm going to use a square graphic. I'm going to create a square graphics. So for now, for the time being, let's delete the existing text over there, the dummy text over there. Let me import image from my downloads folder. For my example right now, let me use this image right over here. And yeah, it comes right over here. So this is an image taken by Bizay Ghimire, my friend at the Catford University, while we were taking a 1 hour seminar about the awareness for SEO. So what I'm going to do to this image right now is reduce the color saturation I'm going to make this completely black and white for now. Afterwards you will know why I'm doing this. The overall graphic will look really good and exciting. Now what I'm going to do is insert a rectangular shape over here. Just follow with me and see what I'm doing. Trust me, you are going to get some really good image. We are going to get really good tips. So what I'm going to do is just slide this image to the side right now. So let me bring this shape to just overlap our square image. So this is the actual size of the graphic that we are going to create. What I'm going to do is reduce the transparency to 50%. 50% is looks really cool, and I've done it with a lot of graphics, and it looks really exciting. Yeah, so here's 50%. Okay, done. So you can see there's a fine border line of this shape. What I'm going to do is use no border for this, no outline. I'm going to slide this image right in so that it fits. I'm going to bring all these students into the frame so that the audience can see that I'm training a group of people. So it looks really exciting. So now what I'm going to do is insert another rectangular box somewhere right at this location, at the bottom location. And I'm going to change the color of this box to the theme color, which is blue and green. So let's make it green, and let's make this a little bit different color than this existing one. So let's make this so it looks really good, and it goes with the color code of our company, which is blue and green. So I'm just removing the outline of this block as well, so there's no outline at all. Now what I'm going to do is insert a text box over this layout, over this box, and I'm going to write best SEO training in Nepal, or you can write anything that you want to show this graphic, what this graphic is all about. I'm going to make this color of this text as white, the text size to be 70, and my favorite font, which is impact. I'm going to center align this so that it looks perfect over here. Yeah, it looks great. Maybe I can increase the size of this a little bit, slightly more. So yeah, it looks just perfect. Now what I'm going to do is insert another shape Another shape over here. Okay, let's not do this shape. Let's insert this one with a curved edge. What I'm going to do is reduce the curved diameter. So this way I'm going to reduce diameter. So just follow up what I'm doing right now. You'll understand why I'm doing this. So I'm not going to use this whole entire block so that it covers the overall image, but I'm just going to use the border, and there's no shape fill. I'm going to do no fill, and I'm gonna use a orange color border. So this is really thin. I'm gonna make it slightly thicker by using weight and 3 points. So the overall graphic design looks really cool using this border for this graphic, and I've seen it lots of places and it looks really exciting. It also works for you in Facebook ads. It stands out. Now what I'm gonna do is use a logo, company logo or badge that we are using in each and every graphic, so that it looks really cool, and people will recognize this image as a brand. So I'm going to keep this in the top right corner where it looks just perfect. Now you can go on changing and editing and adding more blocks or more text on this until unless you are satisfied. Once you are satisfied with the overall graphic design, that what you can do next is take a snapshot of this image using a snipping tool if you are a Mac user, or some other tools if you are a Windows user. So I'm going to simply take a snapshot like this one, and this image is going to get saved on my desktop. So it's going to come somewhere around here. It's taking, okay, yeah, here it is. So this is the actual graphic that you can use on your Facebook page, and it's gonna look really professional like this. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, and do hit the subscribe button as well. Now that's all, guys. See you in the later videos.